yoga has multiple benefits. It can make our life so much better than what we could even imagine. It can make our body strong. It brings focus to the mind, especially for students. Study becomes an effortless process for them then. You don't need to struggle, but your memory becomes sharper, your intellect becomes really brilliant, and overall our energy becomes very positive. Today, in this situation of pandemic around the world where mental health is the biggest challenge, depression, anxiety, fear, when these negative emotions are taking over the human life, yoga is a boon. Yoga is the gift to humanity. It can help us to sail over these tough times. So, without any prejudice, we must practice yoga. It doesn't in any way interfere with one's belief system. Like if you are eating a burger, it doesn't interfere with your religion. If you are driving a car, whatever brand car it is, it doesn't interfere with your faith. So yoga does not interfere with your faith. If at all, it can only make your faith more stronger. So we have to see yoga as a science of well-being. Yoga can improve our relationship with people, our behavior with people. So it has behavioral science, it has mental science. It makes our emotions very stable and our intuitive ability very strong. For every businessman, you need intuitive ability and entrepreneurship. I tell you, yoga can provide that. So, all in all, yoga is such a boon or gift to mankind that nobody should be deprived of it. Because everyone has right to peace. Everybody has right to be in deep love. And everyone has the right to be healthy. So, observing our COVID protocol, keeping the social distance, you can do it at home or in small groups as norms of your city allows you. But make sure that let this goodness of yoga reach to every doorstep. Let everyone be healthy, let everyone be happy. Let's celebrate our presence on this planet. Harmony in diversity. We're all different. We are different people with different languages, with different attitudes, with different likes and dislikes. But one thing that can bind us all, it is human values. And yoga is the best tool for us to blossom in human values. It can help us to get rid of stress, physical fatigue, emotional turbulence, and will bring mental clarity. And let more and more people become teachers of yoga and share their wisdom, their goodness with everybody else. Let's all together create a stress-free society, a happy society.